Hi, I'm Ray. Well, today, just having a look at Waitrose, and they've got a new trolley of vegetables in and a few plants. So let's have a look. This is what I saw, and they've got grafted tomatoes, Buffalopink, $5.50, 3 for $12.50. Also, Buffalosun grafted. Honeycomb F1, they're looking good. And Advantis F1, really good plants. Shelf below, we've got Vificacious F1, they're looking really good. Appleberry Orange. And then they've got Turbo Grafted Cucumbers, Mini Stars. These look really cool. Sweet Peppers, Eternity F1. And then Chili Medina F1. These are all looking really good. Medina, Thor F1, Sweet Pepper. And Solero F1. These are looking really good. Good plants. So further down, we've got Rubylicious tomatoes, F1. Rubylicious. And then Premio F1, grafted tomatoes. So 3 for $12.50. Mix and match. At the bottom, aubergine, Scorpio, these have been munched. Aubergine, graffiti F1. And then super gloss tomatoes. These are really, really good. Super gloss and then super gloss. Look at that, all those tomatoes. So hydrangeas $17.50, Wisterias $26, Trachyspermum $14, more hydrangeas, these are all coming out, and then the lavenders, peppers, small peppers 5 for $10, $2.25, courgettes, chili pepper. And then we've got some bedding, dianthus, lavender, 3 for $12.50. Well, they're looking good. Can't raise that, it's really good. Look at all them. Really, really good. Amazing.